Now dear student, we are going to discuss question number 4.4, and in this question it is given state with reason whether the following algebraic operation with scalar and vector physical quantities are meaningful. Clear? Now first we are going to discuss part number A, adding any two scalar. My dear student, tell me, can we add distance with speed? Let's suppose if I am saying to you, let's suppose a car covered 35 kilometer distance. Okay, fine. And let's suppose car is moving with 60 kilometer per hour speed. Clear? So can we add 60 kilometer per hour with 35 kilometer? No? Yes. So we can say here that adding any two scalar, this statement is not a meaningful. Clear? So I can say this one is not a meaningful statement. In place of it, we can say adding any two scalars that is having same physical quantities. Clear? Let's suppose if you are comparing speed, so you can compare speed with speed. Let's suppose a car is going with the speed 60 km per hour, another one is going with 40 km per hour. Now you can compare. Clear? Let's suppose a car covers a distance 35 km, another car covers a distance 60 km. Now you can compare. Clear? So a JEE student is compared with the JEE student, and NEET student is compared with NEET student. Clear? But we cannot compare a NEET student with JEE student. Clear? So you can easily understand this question like this. So we can say adding any two scalar, this word is not appropriate. Clear? So this statement is not a meaningful statement. Clear? Now if we talk about statement number B, statement number B is given to you adding a scalar to a vector of same dimension. Again we can say this is not a meaningful statement. Why? Because if we are adding any scalar with a vector, but we know with the vector we have a direction is also associated with the vectors. Yes or no? So let's suppose if I am saying to you, let's suppose a car cover a distance 35 km, and let's suppose if I am saying you can add this 35 km with another car that is covering 60 km but in a north direction. Clear? So now we can say this is illogical. Clear? Why? Because in the first part we do not have any idea of a direction. So we cannot add any scalar, we cannot add a scalar to a vector of a same dimension. Either we know, because both are having the same dimension, meter per second we can say is having same unit. Clear? Dimension is same, L1 t minus 1, but the direction is not associated with the scalar. So again we can say this statement is not a meaningful statement. Clear to everyone? Yes. Now we are going to discuss part number C. If we are multiplying any vector by any scalar, yes, this is meaningful. For example, let's suppose if I write force, I can write like this: force is multiplied with the mass and with the acceleration. Clear? So I can say we are getting here force by multiplying mass with acceleration. So acceleration itself is a vector quantity, mass is a scalar quantity, and we can say we are getting a force. Yes. You can also say, let's suppose if I am saying to you this is a vector A. Clear? Now let's suppose if I am multiplying with a scalar to this vector A, let's suppose I am saying this is 3A. So what this is indicating? We can say this indicates this vector is having 3 times of magnitude of this vector. Yes, and because this 3 is a positive, so we can say it is having a same direction. Clear? So we can say we can multiply a scalar with a vector. Clear? So we can say part number C, this is, yes, definitely I can say this is meaningful statement. Clear to you? Now if we talk about multiply any two scalar, this is a useful. Yes, let's suppose if I say to you multiply 3 with 2, you can say 6. If I say to you multiply 5 with 6, you can say 30. Clear? So we can easily multiply any two scalar. So again this is again a meaningful statement. Clear? Now adding any two vectors, again we can say this is not a meaningful. Why? Because if we are adding any two vectors means what? Same physical quantity can be added. This is very, very important. If we are adding velocity, then we can add velocity with velocity. We cannot add force with velocity. Yes or no? So we can say here this statement is, again we can say this is not a meaningful statement. Clear? Adding a component of a vector to same vector. Now listen carefully. Let's suppose if I am saying to you here we have a vector A, clear, and let's suppose this angle is theta. Again I can say here we have a component of this vector, this is AX, and in this direction we have AY. If I say to you this component of a vector, adding a component of a vector to the same vector, now we can say we cannot directly add, because component of vector, always keep in mind component of a vector is also a vector. How can we write? If we write here this AX, we can write like this, this is equal to A cos of theta and multiplied with IK. Or we can say, because direction is always associated, so this is also a vector, this is also a vector. So we can add two vectors by using law of vector addition, clear. So here we have to utilize law of vector addition. So directly we cannot say adding a component of vector to same vector, no, clear. Here we utilize law of vector addition, clear. So this is all about this question, clear to everyone?